Hey guys, welcome to Nina's board. So, today I'm at home. It's 1 o'clock. We didn't have school today because of a huge snowstorm that hit. It's snowstorm Saturn. Hit my town kind of hard. It finally stopped snowing. Shouldn't eat. I'll do that. That's rude. Okay. Finally stopped.
No one cares if you eat while you're making Nina's board here.
I forgot what I was talking about. Like, snowstorm a lot. We might have a 2-hour delay tomorrow, but I don't know if we'll have no school. I hope we don't. Because I forgot my books at school. And I'm probably going to get chewed out. I have to stay after school.
Assassin's Creed 4 is coming out.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently it's with big ships and cool crap like that. It's Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. It's supposed to be like a completely different game.
I love ice cream. And cupcakes. So snowstorm Saturn hit. I don't want to do my homework. Guess I have plenty of time to do it. I went to a game store with my sister and my dad on Sunday. And we rented Mario Party 8. And I'm going to do a game time for that. But it's gonna be up way after the PlayStation 6-week thing is over. Anyways, this isn't very fun. Nina's bored, so I'm just gonna end it. But I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.